Tired of boring drives and outdated gear? What if I told you there are gadgets that can make your car smarter, safer, and way cooler? And yes, you can actually buy them right now. From futuristic heads-up displays to life-saving tools you didn't know you needed, this list is a game changer for every car owner. Buckle up. Let's dive into the coolest car gadgets you can actually own. Steering wheel lock. The disc lock provides a very high level of security for your vehicle and acts as the most visible deterrent on the market. The disc lock has been recognized as the leading vehicle security steering wheel lock for over 30 years. The disc lock's main standout defense mechanism is its unique ability to spin on the wheel. Its pioneering design means it does not fix or lock onto the wheel, it simply molds around it. Disc lock uses the best possible high security lock, which features a spinning disc design. Not only does this resist drilling, but also lock picking. 3 keys and a 1 in 1 million combination unique key code. The new Gold Edition features our Diamondite anti-angle grind material, which significantly helps to resist modern-day theft attempts with battery angle grinders. The 70mm 360 Omni 4 K-Cam is certainly an upgrade over the original model, with a lot more features and functions, plus extra shooting power too. The dual camera setup makes it an ideal bundle to buy if front and rear coverage is required, while the ability to monitor the cabin and vlog on the go also add value. However, the 70mm 360 Omni 4 K-Cam is quite a bulbous thing that does hang down from the windshield more than some of the more conventionally designed rivals out there. That might make it less appealing to owners of vehicles with smaller windshields to deal with, but it's a minor point. Overall, the 70mm 360 Omni 4 K-Cam is a solid performer with its rotating camera party trick thrown in for good measure. Wheel ring lights showcase the wheels of your ride with LED Gelow's million color wheel rings that install directly to the dust shield or hub assembly and allow 5050 SMD LED lights to shine through the wheel for a custom look. With a LED Gelow's sizing guide, you can determine which wheel ring light kit is the right fit for your vehicle. With 3 different sizes available, these kits have been designed to match a wide range of makes and models. Start by first measuring your car or truck's front and back wheel diameter and brake assembly respectively to confirm which kit they are compatible with. Here is a breakdown of the corresponding wheel and brake assembly dimensions for each kit. Programmable LED sign. Want to grab attention like never before? Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or just want to pimp your ride, this is what you've been waiting for. First off, this thing is extremely bright and totally eye-catching. Thanks to the upgraded RGB beads, the colors pop even in daylight. And guess what? It sips power like a pro, only 0.01 degrees per hour. That's like nothing. You can literally program anything on this. Text, emojis, messages, heck, even customize each letter with different colors and animations. Perfect for your car, your shop, or even your bedroom wall. And don't worry, it's not stiff like those old signs. This baby is flexible, lightweight, and easy to roll up when you're done. Not too thick, not too thin. It's the Goldilocks of LED signs. Car jumper starter. First up, this beast packs a 10,000 milliamp hour battery and delivers up to 3,000 amps of starting power. That means it can jumpstart your 12-volt car, SUV, RV, even a lawnmower in just 1 to 3 seconds. No more flagging strangers down. But that's not all. It's also a super fast and powerful air compressor. With a built-in pressure gauge and 2 units, PSI or bar, it auto-stops when the job's done. No more guesswork, no more overinflating. And when it comes to safety, this thing is a tank. With upgraded heavy-duty clamps and 9 layers of protection, it performs even in crazy temps from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Portable Apple CarPlay screen for car. Tired of your car's outdated entertainment system? Want wireless CarPlay and Android Auto without buying a brand new car? Say hello to your next upgrade, the Focue OV07 Portable CarPlay screen, your complete smart driving solution. With built-in support for both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, the OV07 gives you instant access to your phone's music, navigation, messages, and yes, hands-free calling. Just say the word, and Siri or Google Assistant is ready to go. Messy car? Crumbs everywhere? Dust in places you didn't even know existed? Say goodbye to dirty corners with the Fantic 5.8 Apex Mini Vacuum, your compact, cordless cleaning powerhouse. This vacuum may be small, but don't let the size fool you. It's built for detailed cleaning, perfect for your car interior, office desk, and even your dusty keyboard. Tiny? Yes. Mighty? Absolutely. 4-in-1? Oh yeah, this little beast doesn't just vacuum, it blows, inflates, and pumps too. It comes with 10 accessories, including a crevice nozzle, flexible hose, pet brush, and even a multi-surface brush. Fan beat the summer heat with the car seat cooling fan, your ultimate driving buddy for hot days. Designed to deliver a strong, refreshing breeze directly to your back, this fan keeps sweat and swelter at bay so you can enjoy every mile of your summer drive. With 3 adjustable wind speeds, low, medium, and high, you can customize your cool exactly how you like it. Installation? Super easy. Just strap it to the headrest using the adjustable mount and you're good to go. It's USB powered with a 4.6-foot cable, making it long enough to place exactly where you need it, and can be plugged into a car charger or power bank. Whether you're cruising in an SUV, RV, sedan, or even chilling at your desk or campsite, this fan brings the breeze wherever you are. Stay cool, stay comfortable, wherever your journey takes you. P50 Endoscope Camera. The P50 endoscope camera with light is the ultimate tool for anyone who wants to see clearly into tight, hidden, or hard-to-reach spaces. Equipped with HD front and dual side cameras, it gives you a full 180-degree viewing angle with a split-screen design, making inspections more precise than ever. Whether you're checking your car engine, plumbing, or wall structure. Joy Room. If you're someone who juggles multiple gadgets while driving, whether it's your phone, GPS, dash cam, or even a mini fridge, then the Joy Room cigarette lighter USB charger is your perfect road trip companion. This powerhouse is equipped with 4 USB charging ports and 3 cigarette lighter sockets, offering a whopping 179 watts total output, allowing you to fast charge up to 7 devices at once in both 12-volt and 24-volt vehicles. From vacuum cleaners to heated seats, sat-navs to car fridges, this charger supports them all. Just keep in mind that a single socket should not exceed 120 watts. Luxonic Pixel Display Screen. If you're into pixel art, tech gadgets, or just love customizing your space, then this smart LED screen is a must-have. Controlled completely through your cell phone app via Bluetooth, this vibrant screen features a 9.6-inch display with a sharp 32 by 32 pixel resolution, a major upgrade from the older 16 by 16 versions. Whether you're creating custom designs or just showing off cool animations, this device gives your creativity a serious boost. Setting it up is super simple. Escort Max 360C. The upgraded Max 360C takes radar detection to a whole new level. With dual antennas and the new M13 platform, it offers faster, longer range protection from all directions, displaying threat locations with easy-to-read arrows. The Blackfin DSP ensures lightning-fast signal processing so you can react in time. It also filters out false alerts from systems like CAS and BSM, giving you a quieter, smarter ride. Thanks to AutoLearn GPS intelligence, it remembers false alert zones and ignores them in future drives. Stay connected with live alerts from the Drive Smarter community, view info on your car's display with CarPlay and Android Auto, and enjoy Wi-Fi updates right from your driveway. Proudly engineered in the USA, this radar detector is built for drivers who want speed, accuracy, and peace of mind. Slime 50,123 flat tire. Getting a flat tire on the road is the worst. It's risky, time-consuming, and just plain annoying. But not anymore. With the Slime Digital Flat Tire Repair Kit, you'll be back on the road in just 8 minutes. Yep, 8 minutes! No more jacks, no more wrenching. Just plug it into your car's 12-volt outlet, attach the hose, and hit the button. Instantly, Slime's tire-safe sealant and air go to work, sealing punctures and inflating your tire on the spot. Automatic sensing parking lock. Tired of people stealing your parking spot? Meet the automatic parking lock barrier, your personal parking guard that's built tough, smart, and secure. With a fully waterproof alarming system, it triggers a loud alarm if anyone tries to tamper with it or force it down. Thanks to internal bolting, it's anti-theft. Once installed, there's no way to remove it from the outside. Control it with ease using the long-distance remote, which works up to 15 meters away with strong signal penetration. No more getting out of your car to secure your spot. The 180-degree anti-collision arm is a game changer. It rotates back and forth, taking hits like a champ and triggering a loud alert if tampered with, so your parking lock and your car stay protected. With its IP67 waterproof rating, rubber seal, and heavy-duty steel frame, it holds up to 500 kilograms of pressure, built to last in any weather. Perfect for homes, malls, offices, airports, and more. This parking barrier keeps your spot safe from misuse, anytime, anywhere. Philips GoPure GP5611 Cup Holder Car. Air breathe cleaner, safer air 24/7 with the patented Hesamax cartridge. Designed with dual power filtration, it works around the clock, even when switched off, removing chemicals, odors, and harmful pollutants from your car. Inside, bionic white beads use active protein enzymes to break down and trap formaldehyde, while black deodor beads absorb nasty smells like toluene, TVOCs, and ammonia with high efficiency. Wireless CarPlay adapter for Apple. Stay on top of your drive with the 3A Magic Link CarPlay box, your all-in-one voice-controlled car companion. Whether it's navigation, music, calls, radio, or Siri, control everything with a word, a touch, or a twist. 40% faster thanks to auto connect and seamless operation. Under the hood, it's powered by a 7A microchip featuring 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and an 8-core processor, making it up to 10 times faster than standard CarPlay adapters. It's built for smooth Google Maps, media, and messaging, even on long drives. The ultra-light aluminum alloy body isn't just sleek, it's durable. Fortum SUV Trunk Organizer. Tired of the chaos in your trunk? The Fortum Premium Trunk Organizer is here to clean up the mess, stylishly and securely. With rigid base plates on every side and a waterproof bottom, this organizer keeps everything in place, from groceries to gear. It features multiple side pockets and up to 6 compartments, giving you total control over your space. And it stays in place thanks to non-slip strips and adjustable straps with metal hooks. You can even connect multiple organizers using the built-in buckles. Move it from trunk to back seat easily. It's collapsible with a removable lid to keep your stuff hidden and protected. Whether it's office supplies, kids' toys, or camping gear, Fortem's got you covered. Fits any vehicle, SUV, truck, or sedan, and it comes with a bonus microfiber towel and a 1-year warranty. Declutter your ride the smart way with Fortem. Saker Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. Say goodbye to car clutter with the Saker 3-in-1. Car Vacuum Cleaner, your all-in-one vacuum, blower, and inflator in one compact device. Whether you're cleaning dust from tight gaps, blowing out debris from keyboards, or inflating small gear like life jackets, this tool does it all. Powered by a high-speed brushless motor, it delivers up to 17,000 pascals of super suction with 3 adjustable levels, making dirt and debris disappear in seconds, no matter the surface. With a built-in rechargeable battery and Type-C charging, it's always ready to go, at home or in your car. Divoom Pixoo Max Meet the Pixoo Max, your ultimate LED pixel art display that does way more than just look cool. Whether you're on the road, in your room, or at your business, Pixoo Max is your creative sidekick. Want to thank the driver behind you or tell a tailgater to back off? Just use voice commands with Siri. No need to take your eyes off the road. Display emojis, messages, or custom animations instantly. At home, light up your space with your favorite superheroes or classic 8-bit art, perfect for your game room or man cave. Or get festive and use it as a seasonal decoration with holiday animations that bring the vibes to life. Capture every detail with crystal clear 1944p plus 1080p at 30 frames per second, or super smooth 1440p at 60 frames per second, ensuring blur-free license plates and street signs, even at high speeds. The 160-degree wide-angle lens covers multiple lanes without distortion, giving you full road coverage. For an enhanced experience, the optional CPL filter reduces up to 90% of windshield reflections, improving visibility in rain or bright sunlight. Drive with confidence at night. Featuring advanced Super Night Vision 2.0, the Starvis 2 sensor and f1.8 wide aperture lens deliver stunning clarity in low light conditions. Dual HDR technology balances light and dark areas, so you can see every crucial detail, whether you're driving through dark alleys or parked in a dimly lit lot. A Navi 10. iNavi SW-10. Powerful bass in a sleek, compact design. High-performance sound. Experience deep, punchy bass with the iNavi SW-10 active car subwoofer. This ultra-thin 10-inch sub delivers 800 watts peak power and 220 watts RMS, all packed into a sealed aluminum enclosure for rich, distortion-free sound. Smart ambient lighting. Add a touch of style with fashionable blue LED lighting, controllable via smartphone app or remote. Compact and easy to install. At just 3.2 inches slim, this subwoofer fits perfectly under your passenger seat, saving space while delivering massive sound. Avid Power Tire. Inflator Avid Power. AC/DC tire inflator. Fast, powerful, and convenient. This high-performance tire inflator is equipped with dual solid metal motors, delivering rapid inflation for car tires, bikes, sedans, and mid-size SUVs. Its versatile power options allow you to switch between a 12-volt car cigarette lighter and a 110-volt home outlet, making it perfect for both indoor and on-the-go use. Featuring inflation and deflation modes, it includes a high-pressure hose for inflating tires and sports balls, and a high-volume hose for quickly inflating or deflating air mattresses, rafts, and floats. The auto shutoff digital gauge ensures precise inflation by allowing you to preset the desired pressure, automatically stopping when the target is reached. The LCD display provides easy-to-read measurements with unit conversion between PSI, bar, and kPa. For added convenience and safety, the built-in ultra-bright LED flashlight ensures visibility in low-light situations. Whether you're at home, traveling, or facing an emergency, the Avid Power AC/DC tire inflator is the ultimate tool for fast, easy, and reliable inflation.